The New Orleans Times-Picayune is reporting last week that a new sugar refinery originally slated to be built in St. John Parish will now be constructed in St. James. Imperial Sugar, the parent company of Colonial Sugars, is in negotiations with Cargill and Sugar Growers and Refiners, LLC, to build the plant next to the Colonial Refinery in Gramercy. The Times-Picayune reports if a deal is struck, construction should begin at the end of this year. The Louisiana Department of Agriculture and Forestry is issuing emergency rules for cattle producers to prevent the spread of a disease that has already cost cattlemen more than $1 million over the last year. The disease is called trichomoniasis, a sexually transmitted disease that normally does not show symptoms in bulls but causes embryonic death and abortions in cows and heifers. State veterinarian Dr. Henry Moreau says cattle in at least 4 herds tested positive for the disease. The emergency rules require all out-of-state breeding bulls to be tested and disease-free before they can enter Louisiana. Also, bulls diagnosed with the disease must be taken out of breeding service according to the new regulations.